Ever found yourself staring at your Ubuntu terminal, defeated by the dreaded, unable to fetch some archives error, when trying to install software or get updates? This common problem often means your Ubuntu system is having trouble connecting to the package repositories where the software is stored. Let's dive into some simple fixes to get things back on track. First, let's refresh the package list to ensure we are working with the latest information. Then, we'll try updating your software to see if the initial problem is resolved. If the error persists, we'll explore a few key troubleshooting steps. One of the first things to check is your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to allow your device to communicate with the software repositories. If your internet is fine, it's time to move to the next steps. Sometimes, a proxy server might be causing the issue. If you are using a specific proxy server, ensure that it's correctly configured in your system settings. Incorrect proxy configurations can block your system from accessing package repositories. If you are not using a proxy, then you can jump to the next step. If the error is still there, it's now time for a deeper dive. First, we'll clean the package cache to remove any corrupted downloads. After that, you can try to update the package lists, which will allow the system to download the latest package information so can successfully install packages. This is a surefire way to resolve the archive error. Finally, if you followed these steps and are still having trouble, it might be worth checking the repositories themselves. You can either temporarily switch to a different mirror server that's closer to your location, or you can manually edit the source list files. By the end of this, you should be able to get the updates.